Whether they're talking on their phones while you're speaking or not, whether they're distracted or not, they come early, they come late, they sit with their legs stretched out, they're leaning against the wall, they're buried inside of their phones, they're not taking notes, they're not paying attention. All of that becomes irrelevant at some point, and it all comes back to how much do you care? Because if you speak with disdain for people, that will only further spread that negativity. But if you sit there with empathy and love and concern and care and consideration for the people you're speaking to, that will spread positivity. And even though that day they might be sitting there disconnected in front of you, eventually they will look up from their phones, they will fold in their legs, and they will pay attention and they will heed the message. Empathy is a necessity for every single khatib or speaker who is addressing the audience, the ummah of the Prophet ﷺ.